Alright, hi, this is John from H&W. Today we're going to go over changing language on your Acu-Rite DROs. These are all going to be the same between the VUE and 200S. The 300S are going to have one button change difference. As you can see, this language is not at all anything like, well, what I can read. So what I'm going to do is show you exactly what buttons to push to get you back to the language you understand. When you're at this screen, it'll either say 200S, VUE, or 300S, depending on what you got. Simply press the enter button and press the third soft key right here, and that's your no reference. And this part's going to be the only difference between the 200S and 300S and VUE. On the VUE and 200S, we press the left key one time. On the 300S, you press left twice. Press this left soft key number 1 right here. Press the up arrow one time. That's your language section right here. Press enter. And then change this soft key until you understand what language is being said. Press enter and press the clear button to get back to your DRO screen. If you guys got any questions, call us at 1-800-285-5271. Thanks.